Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I have a new sticker book that is releasing today and is available to purchase from Live Love Posh. This one is called Summer Love. So it's a summer themed sticker book. It is 30 pages and it is available now to purchase. So definitely check out that affiliate link. I have a discount code also if you're interested in purchasing. But we're almost into summer, so I can't wait to do some seasonal theme spreads using this book. So I'm going to flip through this book right now, show you all the stickers that are going to be in here, and then I'm going to do a plan with me featuring one of the sets from this book. It looks like I did a quick little flip through, and it looks like it's pretty much more decorative stuff. There's some boxes, but it's more decorative boxes. So it's a nice decorative sticker book. So yeah, let's flip through this. Here's the first page here. This one's really fun. The colors, and these are paper stickers. I like the little lanterns. Those are cute. It's like a backyard picnic. The girls. And then these are the boxes that I was talking about. Look how pretty those are, the layered boxes. I like the ones layered with the seam. That's really cute. Those are the boxes. And here's the next theme. You have this pretty tropical theme. Love the green and pink. These are clear stickers on this set. So here are all the clear ones. Next theme. Ooh, this one's really pretty. Beach camping. I've actually never done that. But I'm not really into camping, but I'm willing to do a beach camping trip. But these are really pretty. These are all on paper. Like pastel-y tropical florals. Got some circles. Here's the next theme, more tropical vibes here. The waterfalls. And these are clear stickers. Next theme, we got some lemons and sunflowers. These are paper stickers on this set. Little picnic. Next theme. Got a little pool party theme here. And these are clear stickers for this set. The pink and yellow. It's really cute. And here's the next one. I think this is the last set. These are paper stickers. Another tropically one here. And then that's the last. Oh, the little birds. They're cute. Okay, so that is Summer Love. Really nice summer sticker book. Lots of different themes in this one. So that is the book. That's the flip through. And again, if you're interested in purchasing, I have my affiliate link down in the description. Definitely check that out. What I'm going to do now is a plan with me. I think I'm going to use the first set. Maybe. I might actually have to grab another book just to pull in some other stickers. But I really want to try out these layered boxes because these are fun. So let me grab another Live Love Posh book that has more boxes and stuff in them. So I'm just gonna do a vertical spread, and then I got an old Live Love Posh sticker book that has some boxes. We'll see how this works because it's not perfect color match, but I just wanted to try to just use Live Love Posh stuff for this spread. And I think this is around the time it turns to summer, but if it's not, that's okay. I'm just gonna pull this one out, this one out, just so I don't have to fumble through this book. Just easier for me to work this way. Okay, so I got those 3 pages to work with. For sure gonna do this one on the corner. Nice little corner piece here. Get it straight-ish. Okay, and then let's see about putting some of these down. I really like this one, this seam here. So maybe I could put it here with the lanterns. Okay, and then I want another something over here. Maybe this one. And then I have these smaller ones, which is nice. And then you could always like flip them different ways, depending on how you want it to be. See, it's already coming together so quickly. I guess I'll put the girls. I don't mind girls in my spread, just very minimally in my spread. They don't bother me. I don't know. They're okay. But I'm not into like the girls too much. Thankfully, there's lots of other decorative elements that you can use. But I might put a girl. We'll see where I can put. Maybe just this girl. I might put this girl somewhere. One girl's enough. Okay, let me go to this side and put these boxes down over here. So I'm thinking, I like the detail on the box. They're not just like one color. This one looks like water, so I like that effect. That's really cool. I'm trying to decide which one I want to do. I like this one because I like the effect on the box. So this one's going down here. Maybe I could put the girl here. Let's see how she works in here. I'm gonna cut some of the white off though. Just not cut her hand off, just the white, and kind of place her there, I guess. I think that's good. Let's do this corner one over here. And then I do have some lanterns that I can kind of have hanging here. Put that one up here. Okay, so I got some lanterns. I do like this chair. So, was that the chair? Or I got this smaller chair. But I kind of like the big chair. So, we're going to go with the big chair. Not there. Guess I'll put it here. Okay, boxes. I'll do this purpley one. Actually, no, because I have a lot of purple already over here. We'll do orange. Get some more color over here. And for sure the blues. Another blue one. It's kind of crooked, right? Yeah, just a little crooked. All right, and then I'm gonna look at the book that I brought, the old, this book, to see if this will work. Because the color scheme, now I'm looking at it, this is too bright, too bright for this book, for this spread. It's like, this color scheme is a toned down version of this color scheme. So I don't think this is gonna work. I mean, maybe the pink? No, it's too dark. Okay, scratch that idea. I guess I'm just sticking with this. So I'm gonna have to make this work. Okay, maybe I'll use the flowers as bullet points. I never do things like that, but I'm gonna work with what I have. So we'll just put flowers as bullet points. Keep them the same color scheme. I think I'll do 2 blue here. And it's actually cute. I don't know why I don't ever do this, but it's cute. I'll do this one here. 2 there. Cute. And then I kind of want one here. So we'll do the blue ones. Here. I don't know what I'm going to do with this sidebar though. The sidebar is a little tricky for me because I don't really have much to put over there. Let's see, let's put, I might have to find some other stickers just to finish this up a little bit. Put a lantern there. Okay, yeah. I mean, because I can't really use this on the sidebar. No, that's a little odd. Okay, so scratch that idea. Let me put down more flowers then, just to get more flowers on the spread. Put one here. Maybe I just fill up this space with some flowers. It won't look, be a little bit fuller. And then let's get some flowers. Ooh, I guess it's going here. It just stuck down on its own. I feel like I need something here. No, okay, it's a little too much. I got these like little leaf pieces. Can kind of come off the page a little bit. Okay. What else? I just feel like I'm missing a couple things. So I'm gonna go look for another book really quick just to add a couple more elements. Found this book. It's another old sticker book from Live Love Posh, but I don't know. This is more like purpley pink, and this is very pink. But I think I can mix in this pink. I think that pink is not too terrible. I used a lot of it though, but I do have a couple of pieces. So we're just gonna kind of just add this in just to make it work a little bit more for me. Pink to me is like a neutral, at least this pink is more of a neutral for me. So I think a couple elements here and there, it'll work. Maybe I could do like a tracker over here. No, doesn't fit. Okay, I'll do a little box here just to bring in the pink on this side. And then I do have these headers. And I can label some of the boxes. Okay, I think that's good. I really like the layered boxes, they're really fun. So that was a good touch in this new summer love sticker book. Really cute. All right, so that's gonna be my spread. As you can see, still have, I mean, I feel like I could make, with mixed in with maybe a box sticker book, make another decent spread with the elements left on these sticker sheets. And you get 2 duplicate sheets of every single theme of every sheet in here. So that's always nice too. I usually will take the extra copy and then I give Happy Mail to my Patreon, my patrons, and I'll usually give them the duplicate sheets from these books. So I like that when there's duplicate sheets in the sticker books, because I can enjoy at least a theme, because I don't want to have the same theme usually in my planners. Depending on the book, I might, but most of the time I just want like that one theme in my planner, or in any of my planners, and then I move on to something else. So it's nice to be able to share those sheets with other people. But yeah, that's gonna be my spread. Looks really fun, cute. Again, love those layered boxes. And that is gonna be Summer Love. If you're interested in purchasing this, it's currently available right now to purchase. So definitely check out that affiliate link and discount code. But that is gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you wanna see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.